Hey there, fellow travelers. Are you ready to embark on a journey to one of the most enchanting beach destinations in the world? We all dream of that perfect beach getaway, don't we? The kind where the sun is always shining, the water is crystal clear, and the sand feels like a warm blanket under your feet. You know, the one with sparkling water, warm sand, and a vibe that's totally unforgettable. A place where every moment feels like a scene from a postcard. Well, Spain's beaches are calling, and trust me, they deliver on all fronts. From the rugged cliffs of Costa Brava to the golden sands of Costa del Sol, Spain offers a beach experience like no other. And today, we're diving headfirst into one of my absolute favorites, Barceloneta Beach. Nestled in the heart of Barcelona, this beach is a true gem that perfectly blends the city's vibrant energy with the serene beauty of the Mediterranean Sea. Barceloneta isn't just any beach. It's a place where history, culture, and leisure come together in a harmonious dance. Originally a fishing village, Barceloneta has transformed into a bustling beach destination that still retains its old-world charm. It's a vibrant mix of city energy and seaside relaxation. Picture this. You're cycling along the beachfront promenade, the salty sea breeze in your hair, and the sound of waves crashing in the background. Or perhaps you're sitting at a beachfront cafe, sipping on a refreshing sangria while watching the world go by. Imagine this. You're strolling on soft sand, the Mediterranean sun kissing your skin, and the city's iconic skyline as your backdrop. Pretty magical, right? The contrast between the modern cityscape and the natural beauty of the beach creates a unique atmosphere that's hard to find anywhere else. But Barceloneta is so much more than just a pretty picture. It's a hub of activity and excitement. Throughout the year, the beach hosts a variety of cultural events and festivals that showcase the rich heritage of Barcelona. From live music performances to traditional dance shows, there's always something happening at Barceloneta. It's a place where locals and tourists come together to soak up the sun, the culture, and the unique spirit of Barcelona. Whether you're playing a game of beach volleyball, building sandcastles with your family, or simply lounging on a beach towel with a good book, Barceloneta offers something for everyone. Get ready to feel the sand between your toes and the energy of Barcelona buzzing around you. The beach is always alive with the sounds of laughter, music, and the gentle lapping of waves. It's a sensory experience that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and inspired. This is Barceloneta, and it's ready to steal your heart. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, Barceloneta Beach promises to deliver memories that will last a lifetime. See you there! Now, what makes Barceloneta so special? Is it the golden sands that stretch as far as the eye can see, or perhaps the crystal clear waters that beckon you for a swim? Well, it's all about the atmosphere, my friends. The energy here is palpable, a vibrant mix of locals and tourists, all soaking up the sun and the culture. Unlike your typical laid-back beach, Barceloneta is bursting with life. From dawn till dusk, there's always something happening. Whether it's a game of beach volleyball or a spontaneous dance party, the beach is alive with activity. Imagine strolling along the boardwalk, the aroma of paella filling the air, the sizzling sound of seafood and rice cooking in large pans is enough to make your mouth water. Street vendors offer everything from refreshing horchata to colourful sarongs. You can find unique souvenirs to take home or simply enjoy a cold drink to beat the heat. But here's the thing, Barceloneta is a beach where you can truly experience the Spanish way of life. It's not just about sunbathing, it's about community and tradition. Families gather for picnics under colourful umbrellas. They bring homemade dishes, share stories, and create memories that last a lifetime. Groups of friends share laughter over plates of tapas. The beach becomes a dining room where everyone is welcome to join in the feast. And let's not forget the beach volleyball games that get pretty competitive. It's a great way to make new friends or simply enjoy some friendly rivalry. This is a place where you can jump right into the local scene. Whether you're a solo traveler or with a group, Barceloneta welcomes you with open arms. So grab a drink, find a spot on the sand, and get ready to experience Barceloneta's infectious energy. The beach is more than just a destination, it's a celebration of life, culture, and community. Every visit to Barceloneta is a new adventure waiting to unfold. Of course, we can't forget about Barceloneta's natural beauty. This beach is not just a place to sunbathe, it's a sanctuary where the hustle and bustle of city life fades away. The moment you step onto the sands of Barceloneta, you are greeted by a sense of tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. The beach is a perfect escape, offering a serene environment where you can unwind and reconnect with nature. The beach itself is a stunner. Stretching over a kilometer, it offers ample space for everyone to find their perfect spot. Whether you're looking to lay down a towel and soak up the sun, or set up a beach umbrella and read a book, Barceloneta has got you covered. The wide expanse of sand ensures that even on the busiest days, you can find a peaceful corner to call your own. Imagine sinking your toes into soft, golden sand that stretches as far as the eye can see. The sand here is incredibly fine and warm, making it a delight to walk on. It's the kind of sand that invites you to kick off your shoes and just enjoy the simple pleasure of feeling it between your toes. It's a sensory experience that adds to the overall charm of Barceloneta. The Mediterranean Sea shimmers and sparkles, inviting you in for a refreshing dip. The water is crystal clear, with gentle waves that make it perfect for swimming or just wading in to cool off. The sea's inviting blue hues are a stark contrast to the golden sands, creating a picturesque setting that is perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. But here's what truly sets Barceloneta apart: the incredible views. This beach offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. As you look around, you'll see the stunning skyline of Barcelona rising in the distance, creating a breathtaking backdrop that is both modern and historic. As you relax on the sand, you'll be treated to panoramic views of Barcelona's iconic skyline. The juxtaposition of the serene beach with the bustling cityscape is truly mesmerizing. It's a place where you can enjoy the best of both worlds: the calm of the beach and the excitement of the city. From the towering Sagrada Familia to the whimsical Park Güell, it's a feast for the eyes. These landmarks are not just visible, they dominate the skyline, reminding you of the rich cultural heritage that Barcelona has to offer. It's a visual treat that adds an extra layer of enjoyment to your beach day. Where else can you find a beach that seamlessly blends urban excitement with natural splendor? Only in Barceloneta. This unique combination makes it a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Barcelona. Whether you're a local or a tourist, Barceloneta Beach offers an unparalleled experience that captures the essence of this vibrant city. So come relax and let Barceloneta enchant you with its golden sands and stunning cityscapes. Now you might be wondering, what's changed in Barceloneta by 2025? Well, this beach is always evolving, just like the city it calls home. You'll find even more beach bars and restaurants popping up, each offering its own unique vibe. One of the coolest additions, eco-friendly beach initiatives. Barcelona is all about sustainability, and Barceloneta is no exception. Look out for solar-powered showers and recycling stations dotted along the beach. Barceloneta is committed to preserving its beauty for generations to come, and that's something we can all appreciate. Let's be honest, a day at the beach wouldn't be complete without indulging in some delicious food. And lucky for you, Barceloneta is a foodie's paradise. Right on the boardwalk, you'll find chiringuitos, those charming little beach bars serving up fresh seafood, tapas, and ice-cold drinks. Picture yourself sipping on a refreshing sangria, the taste of fresh seafood paella lingering on your lips. Or maybe you're in the mood for some classic patatas bravas, those crispy potatoes drizzled with spicy aioli. Whatever you're craving, Barceloneta's culinary scene will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. But Barceloneta is more than just sun, sand, and delicious food. It's about creating memories that will last a lifetime. It's about sharing laughter with friends over a pitcher of sangria as the sun sets over the Mediterranean. It's about the feeling of sand between your toes as you stroll along the water's edge, the cool sea breeze in your hair. It's about the vibrant energy of the city blending seamlessly with the tranquility of the sea. Barceloneta is a place where you can truly let go, relax, and embrace the joy of living in the moment. Of course, as travelers, it's our responsibility to leave places better than we found them, and Barceloneta is no exception. Remember to be mindful of your trash, use the recycling bins provided, and treat the beach with respect. Barceloneta is a treasure, both for the locals and for visitors like us. Let's work together to keep it beautiful for generations to come. By being responsible travelers, we can all enjoy the magic of Barceloneta for years to come. While the beach itself is the main attraction, don't miss out on exploring the charming neighborhood of Barceloneta. Just a short walk from the sand, you'll discover narrow winding streets lined with colorful buildings. Get lost in the labyrinthine alleys, stumble upon hidden plazas, and soak up the authentic atmosphere of this historic fishing quarter. You might even discover some unique boutiques, art galleries, and local eateries tucked away. Barceloneta is full of surprises, so put on your walking shoes and prepare to be charmed. So, there you have it, my friends. Barceloneta Beach is more than just a place to soak up the sun. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. From the vibrant culture and stunning natural beauty to the delicious food and unforgettable atmosphere, Barceloneta has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to experience the magic of Barceloneta Beach. Trust me, you won't regret it. Until next time, happy travels.